Hey there, Travis. Melissa Pierce here. We briefly spoke yesterday, and I just wanted to go over today to help bring more customers to your business. I know we briefly spoke about you being in this section, the map section. So what helps you rank in this section is citations, and you're obviously doing great with that because you're number 2 in this section. So you must have a lot of citations. So citations is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown through directories on the internet. And directories are places like Yelp, Angie's, Glassdoor, Expertise, B&B. There's thousands of these directories here in the map pack. And like I said, this is where 40% of your business is coming from. Now the other 60% of your business is coming from down here in the organic section. And I did not see you on this page, the front page. And so, not seeing you here. So most people click few businesses on the first page. So it would definitely benefit you to be in this section under here, which is the organic section. Now I did pull up your website, Fuller Green Solutions, and your website looks great. You have, nice pictures. There's a decent amount of content on here. You have some reviews, the maps at the bottom. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a few tips on how you can improve this. Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website, depending on your competition and on your page. Now, a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So Google likes information, and in that content, you can strategically place keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be put in front of when people search for it. So what we would do is we'd probably add more content. I'd run all these words through a word counter and see how many words are on your website, and I would go to your competition and we would put more content and words on your page. You can also put content behind these pictures as well, and that would help outrank your competitor in the organic section. The other thing I wanted to go over is backlinks. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable text. The idea is that these links act like endorsements of your websites from others, and Google uses it to build trust in your business. But they're not all created equal. Some backlinks are relevant and some aren't. So I'm going to give you an example. I use this paid tool that I called Ahrefs, and so it's showing that you have 24 backlinks. So we can definitely up the number of this to get you ranking in the organic section. You have 50 keywords, and that's what's embedded throughout your website. We definitely need to up that. You don't have a lot of power going to your website. Here you only have 2 referring domains. Domain is another website linking back to your website. We can definitely up that number too to get you ranking a little higher in the organic section. Now I did pull up your competitor, and this is the number 1 competitor in the organic section. They're most likely bringing in the most traffic in Austin. And so they have a decent amount of content. That's why they're bringing in, and then these pictures probably all have keywords behind them, which is also bringing them in more traffic. They just have a lot of content. So the person with the most content, backlinks, and citations, That's what helps you rank to the top of Google. And so I did plug them into the tool that I use called Ahrefs, and you know, we can definitely beat them out because they don't have a lot of power going to their website. Is that they have 296 backlinks, 101 keywords on their website embedded throughout their content. So that's what's helping them rank, but it's not impossible to get underneath them and even above them. So like I said, once your content, backlinks, and citations are all coming together, you'll begin to outgrow your competitor and take on more jobs. And I'm not sure what your margins are in this industry, but it can definitely put some extra money in your pocket to find out exactly how much revenue you'd like to build. And I can do the research to make sure it's possible, and we can talk from there. If you can just leave me one line of feedback on this video, I'd really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.